Here is two cutting boards. They are matching cutting boards. They both use a reddish type wood as every other board. So red, natural, and so on. They are 9.5 by 15. And I've also gave them a bit of a round over. This is kind of a fancy round over. It goes in and comes back out. And then a little bit at the bottom so it'll be easy to grab them. So let's see how they look when they get some oil on them. So they should look nice. Here is another matching set of cutting boards. These ones here are 11 inches across and 17 inches down. And on these cutting boards I used a red board near the outside. I used a red board in the middle, and then again I used a red board near the outside on the other side. So there's 3 red boards in these ones. These 2 matching boards are my largest cutting boards that I have. They are 11 by 18. They also have the rounded edges, top and bottom. And this time I put the red boards on the outside and then one in the middle, and the rest is the natural look. So I'm just ready to put the oil on the... We're going to use Howard's cutting board oil, and it'll put 3 to 4 coats on as per the directions. And after that all dries, we'll use the Howard's conditioner. Sit back and let's just put a little bit of oil on and see how it looks. Okay, so we have put some of the oil into this container. It's about 1 inch deep. I got this spongy type brush, and my lovely assistant here is going to dip it into the container, and she's going to put it on the cutting board. So let's see how it goes. Look at that, looking good. So like I said, this is the first coat. There will be 3 coats before we're done, and then we'll have to do the conditioner. So you can see the natural board really stands out amongst the, because look at the natural and there's the red. We have now put 3 coats of the cutting board oil on this cutting board, and now we're going to use the Howard's cutting block conditioner. Basically you take a clean cloth, follow the grain, and you give it a bunch of wipes so it's nice and smooth and shiny, and then we let it set for 20 minutes, and then we come in and we buff it to a nice shine. So we've now finished putting the conditioner on all 6 cutting boards. So please, at this moment, if you like, give us a big thumbs up, a like, subscribe, all that kind of stuff really helps us. We ended up using 1 full bottle plus this much more of the oil, and in the conditioner we use probably 1/3 to 4/5 of the bottle. The conditioner, we just used this little, it looks like sheepskin, and we just rubbed it on and buffed it down. So I'm going to quickly show you the results. This is the largest cutting board, and a couple of the coasters. It's got a nice smooth finish, not too much of a shine but not too bad, and the coasters turned out really nice too. So from what we started with, these were very dull looking, and finally here is our smallest cutting board, and this one here with the neat little edge on it again turned out beautiful like. So by using pellet boards, it can be done. They do look really nice, especially if you can get some dark and light colored boards. So hopefully you like all this. Hopefully this inspires you to make your own cutting boards. And again, thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe, of course, and tell your friends. Thank you.